Friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video, once again, I'm talking about the Tron TRX crypto. Very important update. The update is very important. That is why keep watch this video till the end, friends. And if you are new on my channel, please click this subscribe button, like this video for more this kind of news and updates. Subscribe is very important for all of you, friends. That is why I'm told you to subscribe ABS Tech channel, friends. Anyways, let's move on and let's start the video, friends. First of all, we talk about the currently at this time price of the TRX. 0.126479 USD dollar is the currently price of the TRX, and the price changes occur in the TRX as you can see here. The last 1 hour price change as negative, the last 1 week price change positive, and last 1 week price change as negative. That means that the previous last 1 week changes occur in the TRX has gone negative, friends. But in the last 1 day the price change as positive. That means that from the yesterday the TRX start pumping, start jumping, friends. Let's see, my friends, the price chart for a more details and for better understanding, friends. Wow, that's a good news for me that the TRX again start jumping. I'm very happy. I'm very happy to see this kind of changes occur in the TRX. On the other hand, if you look, the price changes occur in the last 1 week in the TRX. So as I told you that the previous last 1 week price change as negative, but that is the 14 May price prediction. That is the 14 May price jump. So absolutely that is only the last 20, and the last 20 pricing as positive, and the last 1 week pricing as negative 18.57%, friends. So very soon they are again become positive if this kind of jumping continue throughout this whole month. So I hope that TRX is also going to hit a 1 USD dollar, friends. So what's your prediction about TRX? My prediction is 100% positive, and I hope that the big pump they continue this jump for a long time, friends. What's your prediction? Tell me in the comment box, and kindly, friends, don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates.